Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a room makeover. Now if you watched my vlog back in February, you would have seen that I pretty much just painted this wall pink not long ago, but it looked lush on the bit of card that we got to like put up against the wall. I put a poll on Instagram, and yeah, everyone voted pink cocoa, and I personally felt like I really wanted pink cocoa, so that's what we put on the wall. And then we bought like a lot of royal blue stuff to go with it, because I ideally wanted, I'll pop the inspo pic that I've got here so you can see what the type of wall that I wanted with like the sort of royal green or royal blue. We did decide to go with the royal blue in the end, but as time's gone on, I don't like it anymore. I just don't like it. It's not exactly like that inspo pic that we've seen here. It's not the same. I think it's kind of like along the same palette, but it's like 5 shades darker than what I actually wanted. I really wanted like a very pale, dirty looking pink, so like quite similar to this cushion, because I wanted just like it to look nice with the royal blue or the royal green. But I've even gone off the royal blue now as well, so yeah, I like to change my mind. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm going to mix the pink paint that I used on the wall with white paint to try and lift it quite a few shades so that it can hopefully look a little bit dirty pink, because it's not a pure pink. There is a little bit of like dirtiness in it. I guess the pink cocoa is that it has got a little bit of brown in it, I guess. So I'm hoping that if we lift it up a few notches, that it will kind of be the colour that I want. And then I'm thinking about like maybe putting Egyptian cotton on all the other walls, because we need something on that back wall over there, and I don't even want to show you it because it's a mess. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, and I'm going to bring you along with me. Why not? So let's get stuck into it. Okay, so as you can see here, we've got the Deluxe Pure Brilliant White in matte, and then this is the pink colour. It looks much nicer on here than it does on the walls. Like that, I just think looks nicer than that. Although it does look like the same colour. Oh, it's really difficult. But yeah, so I'm hoping to lift this colour up a few notches just to get it to the inspo pic that I showed, because I do want that sort of dirty colour. So what I'm gonna do, right, so I've got a bucket, I've got the roller, and something that I didn't use last time was the frog tape, so we're going to definitely put that around the edges today just to make it a bit better. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Okay, so I'm just going to mix the white paint, and then I'm going to start pouring it in here. So let me just flick the camera down. Okay, so the paint needs a little bit of a stir. I don't know how much is in here, so I don't know if there's going to be much left for us to do much of the house. Okay, so now I'm going to put the pink in, and I'm going to put the pink in quite slowly because I don't really want to put too much pink in. So we're just going to take this one quite easy. Pop this over here. Okay, so I'm not going to do much pink, just a little bit. But it also needs a stir, which I'm going to do with this end. Ooh, this needs a big stir. Okay, so I'm just frog taping the walls, which is something that I didn't do before, so it's probably a good thing that I am repainting anyway, so I can do it properly with some frog tape and make the lines a lot crisper and cleaner, because we did have the plant in the corner here, and basically just to cover the lines, so It'd be quite good if we can have a lamp instead, I think. So yeah, just frog taping. Oh, it smells mean. Okay, so I've just finished the first layer of the new pink, and while I was painting I was starting to panic because if you see on the time lapse, like it looked like I might have to do another coat and to try and mix these colours again perfectly would have been quite a task. So I'm seeing just little bits where I might need to just quickly go over again with the roller. But already, I much prefer it. So I'm happy. Even if it looks patchy, I'm happy because it was better than what it was. So a thumbs up from me. Okay guys, so I have finished the pink, and even though some parts of it look patchy, I still overall love it with the patches more than I did the other colours. So at least it's a step in the right direction. But it's very faint. I'm just gonna swap this around. So it's very faint, which is kind of what I wanted. Like I didn't want a really deep colour because I'm a very pastel-y type of person. But you can see the difference between the chair and the wall. Obviously I've still got the frog tape on the walls, but yeah, you can kind of see like how pale it is, but it's almost exactly the same colour as my inspo. So let me just get my Instagram story up. Sorry, here we go. So I know it's really hard to see. It's hard to see on here, but in person, when I hold them up together, they're almost identical. So I'm pretty happy with that. So yeah, I just need to dress the room now. I don't know why this camera's keep going blurry. So yeah, I just need to dress the room back up now, put the pictures back on the wall, but obviously I need to wait for everything to dry. So I'm gonna take the frog tape off tomorrow because I've read some reviews on the frog tape saying like, oh, the paint went through, it didn't do what it was supposed to do. So I'm gonna wait until the paint is like bone dry before I start taking any of the frog tape off. So I'll probably do that tomorrow. But yeah, I'm really happy with that. I'm honestly really happy with that. So yeah, I think I might even do this in some more rooms because I've got absolutely loads of the pink paint left. Loads of it.